What if I told you the beast hauling tons of rock in the harshest terrains isn't just a machine? It's a symbol of American muscle engineered into steel. Meet the Cat dump truck, where brute force meets cutting-edge technology, and every load it carries tells a story of power, precision, and unrelenting performance. But hold on, before you picture just another construction vehicle. This isn't your average hauler. This is Caterpillar's heavyweight warrior, and what's under its hood might just surprise you. Now, if you've ever driven past a construction site and wondered, how on earth do those massive machines keep going all day without giving up? You're not alone. Cat dump trucks are built not just to last, but to dominate. Designed for extreme duty cycles, these trucks operate in some of the world's most brutal environments: quarries, open pit mines, and remote construction zones where breakdowns aren't just inconvenient. They're costly. But Cat has an answer. Smart engineering backed by decades of field experience. Let's talk specs, because this is where things start to get really impressive. Models like the Cat 770G or the colossal 797F don't mess around. We're talking gross weights that can push over 1.3 million pounds, engines delivering more than 4,000 horsepower, and fuel capacity north of 1,000 gallons. Just imagine filling up your pickup truck 100 times over. And that's just breakfast for a Cat dump truck. And no, they don't sip fuel, they gulp it. But there's a reason for that. These trucks aren't built for efficiency, they're built for output. Maximum productivity, minimal downtime. And speaking of downtime, here's the twist. Cat doesn't just build machines, they build smart systems. These trucks are packed with telematics, onboard diagnostics, and GPS monitoring, all designed to predict maintenance before it becomes a problem. It's like your truck calling ahead to tell you it needs a checkup, except instead of a $50 oil change, we're talking hydraulic pressure readings, tire temperature analytics, and engine load ratios. It's not just brute force, it's brute force with a brain. Okay, let's pause for a second. Ever wonder what it feels like to sit in the driver's seat of a machine taller than a two-story house? Hint, it's not like driving your SUV. The cab is designed for comfort, yes, but more importantly, for control. Everything is laid out for visibility and efficiency, with controls that respond like you're handling a piece of high-tech machinery. Because you are. And here's a detail most folks overlook: safety. With these giants rolling through unpredictable terrain, safety systems are non-negotiable. Cat's dump trucks come equipped with collision avoidance, automated braking, and even driver fatigue monitoring. Imagine your truck knowing you need a brake before you do. Creepy? Maybe. Smart? Absolutely. So what's the future of Cat dump trucks? Well, how about autonomous operation? That's right, driverless trucks hauling hundreds of tons through mining routes with no one behind the wheel. It's not science fiction. It's already happening in parts of the US and Australia. But what happens when these machines start making decisions on their own? We'll explore that in an upcoming video, because trust me, you're going to want to see what comes next. For now,